Here's a name above all names that everybody can be saved through. It's called Sonini. None of the Greek names, Yiddish names that you see there, God, Jesus, and Yahweh, none of them is going to save nobody. So none of them is going to save anybody. Let me just be grammatically correct just for this one. None of those is going to save anybody. So only the one on your left called Sonini that's going to save you. Name above all name is one, just one name, not a lot of names, a lot of translation, and it's not translated. As you can see in the fake Jews, they still kept the letters N-I-N-I. You can see over there. Cannot be translated. It cannot be reversed or anything like that. It stays Sonini as you can see it there. So it's your choice. You choose the left or you choose the right with a whole lot of names, a whole lot of people going to hell. Now you got it there.